The 360 around view monitoring system presents zero blind zone of vehicle with 360-degree bird view through 4 ultra-wide-angle fisheye cameras and a 7, 9, 10-inch monitor, which allows the driver to monitor the surrounding conditions of the vehicle at any time. It's very intuitive and has no blind spots, effectively reducing accidents such as vehicle scratches, collisions, and falling into potholes. AutoDefend 360 AVM system supports 4-channel blind spot detection, which can detect the pedestrian, cyclists, bicycles in the blind zone and provide sound and lighting alarm to warning for driver and pedestrians. The mobile app is AutoDefend all-in-one design app set up calibrate all AutoDefend hardware products, include ADAS, DSM, BSD, 360 AVM, dashcam, radar system. It supports one operator can finish all test items, play and setup such as preview, playback, blind zone setup, calibration, alarm setting, parameter setting, etc. The cloud platform, few options to log in AutoDefend GPT, CMS V6, while on main fleet management platform, which provide all vehicles remote real-time video monitors, GPS location, alarm push and daily, weekly, monthly reports. Welcome to login www.autodefend.com, a brand for Lifeguard Asset Protect.